again, yung relationship which is characterized by peaceful, harmonious relationship and love. Maraming concern ngayon na yung mga bata natin ngayon, the millennials so to say, or the Gen Z, masyado nang hook up into gadgets or technology. Natural consequence is nagiging masyadong impersonal na ang buhay. Ibang kulang na ng emotion, kulang na ng relationship. Now, talking about relationship like love for example, you cannot intellectualize love. You have to feel love. Our relationship with God for example should not just be on the intellectual level. It should be on the emotional level. Now, bakit nangyayari yung ganito? Again, because we are so hooked up into intellectualism. Ang mind lang ang ginagamit. Hindi natin masyadong ginagamit ang heart. But it is a real temptation dahil uso na ngayon yung artificial intelligence. So, nandyan yung temptation which becomes an imbalance ng buhay. Again, this has so much something to do with the world outside us. Masyado tayong nagre-rely doon sa world outside us like gadgets and technology. Now, pag napabayaan natin yung something personal or the world inside us, doon na nasisira yung relationship. But you know, I used to tell people, what matters most in life is relationship. Yumaman ka pa, maging successful ka pa, pero kung wala ka ng kaibigan, o napabayaan mo na yung mga magulang mo, wala ka ng magandang relasyon sa mga kapatid mo, anong meaning ng buhay? So, again, yung relationship which is characterized by peaceful, harmonious relationship and love belongs to the world inside us. Huwag tayo magpapa-apekto masyado sa world outside us. Again, gadgets are good. Technological advancements are good. These are what propel progress and development. Pero aanhin mo yung progress and development kung wala ka ng puso, wala ka ng relationship. You cannot even handle and manage your own life internally. You're not able to manage your thinking and your emotions. So, mahirap ang buhay na ganun.